out of the way for my mom. Good, Echo. Sit back on your outside hip. Good. Point. Point where you want to go. Yes. That's okay.
I was practicing.
Good. Pat him. Good boy. Good. Gently sit back. Yep. Okay. That one you didn't get. Okay, so just keep cantering to the left, okay?
Okay, keep cantering. Do I go over the thing?
Yes. Just take your time. Canter left. Okay, it's okay. Just keep cantering left. Take your time. Point. Okay, it's okay. He's trying to figure it out. Sit back on your right hip. Point your left foot forward. Good. There!
Oh, got it! He hopped over the poop!
Stop! All right! Good!
Yes.
Should I stop?
Yeah, pet him. Whoa.
Oh.
Sit way back. Good. Good. Very good. Now he's doing it. There you go. Okay, now just keep cantering left. Keep cantering left. Put your inside foot forward. Keep going in this circle. Yeah, you got the front. Got the front. It's okay. He'll fix it. That's horrible. Good boy. And now pet him. Just wait and just point where you want him to go. Almost. He's trying. Now keep going left.
Yeah, I did the wrong single.
Okay, you switched it. Okay, you can go the other way. Got the front. So keep going right. Circle right. Continue this direction. Go. Oh, no.
No, thought he was going to switch it.
Keep going this way. You get tired.
Mm-hmm.
Going this way. Sit on your right hip. He'll get it.
I would think to do that.
He'll get tired doing that. Okay, a little bit more energy. Okay,
Oh.
he's gonna fix it. Good.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, once more the other way. Ready? Strong focus, little more energy. Yep. Perfect. You got the front. You got the front. Go a little bit more. A little more energy. See if you can get the back. Stay in this circle.
Yep.
Oh, it's okay. You're doing great. Get in the front every time. Okay, tap him a little on that outside hip. You can do it.
We need the poop.
Okay, let him trot and fix it. Oh, he'd probably exhaust himself actually and do it
Yeah.
right.
Oh, no, it's good enough for buoyancy.
There.
Nice.
Outside hip. Good. Just wait. No, don't rush him. Don't rush him. Perfect. Now stop.
Woohoo! Boy, was that.
Way on that right hip.
Got it.
There. So just wait for it. It's perfect. Good. Gently. Gently. Got it.
Yes.
Perfect.
Whoa!
Take the barrels. Easy, easy. Got the front. Almost. You got the front. Take the barrels. Keep the lead. Easy. Take the barrels. There you go.
There.
Now pet it. Good boy.